Welcome back. In case you're just joining us, I'm with two lovely ladies, that is Anne and Elizabeth, who are in the health industry. And at this point, we have to admit you cannot avoid anything to do with health. And personally, I'm in the business of preventing over curing, because I've seen both my parents really suffer. My mom has diabetes and hypertension. My dad has hypertension, asthma, and some issue with his leg. And it's good to know these things. But what I'm getting is what you eat, how you eat it, is who you become. And so the ladies are going to walk us through, when does it start? When do you go there? What are the benefits? And all the way to actually something I really loved, that a lot of these things can be reversed. And health is wealth. Your health can, we always say you're one bad health away from going flat, because that's how it is. So why not prevent instead of trying to cure? Great. Elizabeth, sasa kuna watu kama sisi. Me, I'm very health conscious. I'm trying my best to do what I can do. And it's good that I'm getting information. Like I didn't even know about just sipping water, warm water. And here I am, na chupa yangu. And honestly, it's been such a life changer. But who are your target clientele? Ama ni watu wagani mnaona kabisa ndio wanakuja? Because I'm sure wamama ndio wamejaa huko. Wamama wa diabetes, akina madhe. But where does it start? And what can we do at home first of all, from the knowledge you have, before even getting to what you do?
It is as early as uko mtoto mdogo from 5 years.
Yes.
You see? Why? It is because according, as I said earlier, according to what we are eating nowadays.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So if you can supplement the small boy from 5 years and the small girl from 5 years is supposed to supplement
as
too.
well. Yes.
Because the food that we are eating, we are not getting the
enough.
We are not getting the vitamins, enough vitamins and the minerals that we need in our bodies. So to me, I can say it is as early as ukiwa mtoto.
Yes.
You say, so that we prevent. Why am I saying it is as early as ako katoto? It is because like nowadays, see unasikia a baby akona cancer, akona diabetes.
In fact, add, and I see it a lot. There's so many children who are overweight.
Yes.
So many.
Yes. Na unasikia wengine wanapelekwa hata India wakatibiwe watoto. So it is as early as possible because we also have those products for watoto wadogo. The other thing is we can try to take balanced diet. But according to the trainers who train us, they say that we should eat according to our blood groups. Right?
Interesting.
Yeah, according to our blood groups, because maybe your blood group is not favored by milk, and you do take
milk. Ebu kidogo mi wacha nijingize hapo. Nakwanga A positive. Ebu let's use me as an example. Nikula nyama? Okay. Okay, good.
For example, if I can talk about myself, myself, there is this issue. I had that issue, blood viscosity.
Layman's language, what does that mean?
That is damu yako inakuwa mzito. As in haitembei hata ukijikata tu hivi kidogo inatoka
3 working days ikifikiria kama itoke ama isitoke.
Yeah. That is it. Na maybe wewe ukikatwa kuna vile
mimi kwanza yangu
inatoka
kanga hivi.
Mine was true. Sasa the doctor told me what to eat and what to avoid. Yes. So to me, even ukiwekelea ka chicken hapa, my dear, sitakula. Because in chicken, hata ukiangalia tu in wa Google, you will see blood B positive should take meat except chicken, even if you Google. You see, because that chicken is making my blood to be thick.
True.
Unaona?
And that could lead to so many other things like
Kwa hivyo, as we live, it is very important for you to know your blood group. Absolutely. So that you can avoid some things.
Very true.
Na zingine unakula sana.
Kabisa.
Sawa. But for veggies, for fruits, you are good to go. Yeah. Na sana we avoid wheat in every blood group. Wheat, sugar.
Yes, of course.
Yes. We should avoid those because like now sugar, when maybe tuseme you have the cancer cells.
Yes.
You see, and you continue taking sugar.
Cancer feeds on sugar.
You see, kwa hivyo the cells multiply so fast. So you are not supposed, you are supposed to know yourself first, you know your blood group, you avoid wheat, you avoid sugar. But wengine wanasema, mimi sasa na chakula, na skali, sijaiona nyuki. Yes, utasema hivyo.
But one day. Tafika.
Sababu like now, hizi magonjwa zinakuja, kama wewe mwenyewe hata huelewi. And this is why we advertise, we advise, we advise so much on checkups.
Yes.
Because when you take frequent checkups, unakaa miezi kidogo, like now 6 months, you go for your whole body checkup. You see, you'll get to know ugonjwa yenye inaweza kupata.
Inakujia
inakujia. Daktari will be able to tell you, hapa tutaangalia kuko hivi na hivi na hivi. You see, but watu wengi wanaogopa. They say that, I don't want to know, maybe niko na cancer. You see, you should not fear. You should not fear because when umejua mapema, you'll be able to prevent.
You see,
like now, tuseme maybe you come to for checkup, and the doctor akwambie kuna vile unaonekana kuna two cells, na maybe iko first stage, ama maybe diabetes imeanza tu ile mapema, ama pressure imeanza ile mapema. Sasa you'll be able to get the products and you reverse the condition
very easily.
So what I can advise is we should not fear checkups, and we should eat well, balanced diet. Yet even even if we take the balanced diet, you will also need to supplement. Yes. This is what I can say.
I really love that, and the fact that you're on point, especially when it comes to, for both of you, cancer cells. I didn't realize how dangerous sugar can be, especially in reproducing all this, or rather making them faster. And yes, again, this is a fact. We know that cervical and breast cancer are the cancers that kill majority of women, especially here in Africa. But if caught early, they're very easy to treat. Unfortunately, people wait until they are stage 4, meaning, and I did my research, by the time you're stage 4, it means that cancer has been in your body for several years. Why not just get that once a year checkup? Just know. And I think fear is what, I'd rather fear waiting for the results and we catch something early than really one day you walk into a hospital and 7 days later you've lost 10 kgs because of the it's called what? The chemo, the radiation that you're going through. So I love the fact that you are pushing that narrative. Get checked up, even your children, get them to do their annuals, to the bare minimum, half once a year, so that you can know what is ailing them. And you know, it's a good thing. Technology has really changed. You get a really nice breakdown as to what it is. All right, and for you now, walk us through nature herbs and the supplements. Again, mimi sijui kitu, ni explainie like a 2-year-old. Yeah.
Thank you once again. So as Liz has said, as long as you are eating, you have to supplement.
It's true.
So I have talked about H. pylori, I have talked about diabetes, what else? Cancer.
Hypertension.
Tumebakisha nini?
So many.
Yeah,
there are so many. There are so many.
Yeah.
So for little children, before they are even born, ni wewe mama ujitunze.
Ujieke vizuri.
Juu the moment utakula vizuri, hata mtoto atatoka akiwa healthy.
Kweli kabisa.
The moment huyo mtoto ameanza kukula, anzana na yeye. Unajua hii umempea inamharibikia. Anza kutoa mapema ni mapema. Cause unaona kama hiyo mashini yetu inakwambia cancer stage 1. Wow. Na amekwambia it is reversible.
Yes.
1, 2 and 3 is reversible.
Yeah.
Imetoka wapi? Kwa hiyo chakula yetu. Kama we mama uko hapo home, unafaa hata unaangalia mtoto wako ameenda choo aje. Wenye wako shule, mimi nawaulizanga na ulipupu. Unaona?
Wangu anakujanga hivi kwa mlango.
Kwa choo direct.
Mmoja kwa hicho hata wanajuanga, mwingine yangu. And those, I don't know what happens, but wataka hapo. And then after dinner, tena another.
Meaning unawakulisha vizuri na umekuwa na calcium mzuri. Unaona calcium ni kama sasa hiyo immunity bado. They are all nini?
They're in the same category of supplements. Yeah.
So the fact that umelea mtoto vizuri with the calcium, atakuwa na immunity mzuri.
Kweli.
So ukiona huyo mtoto ni kweli amekuja ameenda kwa choo, it means unawalisha vizuri. So wazazi wajue hiyo ni kitu ya maana sana. Hata hii short call. Juu kwetu ukikuja na umeshindwa kuenda short call. My friend. You hatutawezana.
Because I mean that means your body is just full of toxins. Nothing is flushing them out.
So ni vizuri watu wajue hivyo. And again ile kitu yenye inaua wazee sana ni prostate enlargement. Unajua afadhali sisi nimesikia ukisema wamama wamejaa huko. Utakuta wamejaa huko wazee hata kuliko mama yako wamejaa huko. Mtu alisaidika anasaidia wamama wengine. But talk about men. Do you know they don't talk?
They don't even like anything to do with medical.
Mzee hapo nje ukiona umeanza hizo tu signs, sijui umeenda short call, umeanza kusikia uchungu, kuna tu vitu kama pazi zinatoka, damu, you are in danger. Akuje angaliwe. Ndio kama ni prostate enlargement, we will reverse. But akinyamaza ikikaa inaenda prostate cancer. Na ndio inawaua. From here unakuta mtu hatembei. Wanafikiria miguu yangu ilikosa nguvu. But whatever is feeling inside hataki kusema. It is that serious. So wazee bado tuko na dawa yenyu.
And it's important we sensitize our men. Wakuje sana kwa sababu lakini wakishikwa na homa wa mkangi.
Kwanza hiyo homa ni kuwa immunity yake iko chini.
And it doesn't hurt to take your vitamin C and your zinc. You know, there's something I picked somewhere and maybe you can comment. Like I said, I've been really learning a lot about women's health. It's a supplement called magnesium. Basically, the overall, what it does, especially to women's body. Then there's the other one, dandelion, you know, because of water retention. Najua hizi vitu msinione hapa. Maybe could you even be more specific? Even like basically again on preventative stage, what women should take because of our biological conditions, and also sasa maybe hata mnaweza saidiana. We can start with you, and if it's something Elizabeth you can think of, then you can walk with us, because still we don't know what supplements you have other than saying come get screened and you'll be told. But sahi already, like personally?
That one I can talk about it.
Okay.
About us women, tuko na challenges mingi, as in from 35 years and above, even not 35, I should not go to 35, I should start from that time, a girl start getting messes.
Yes.
This is when you get akona cramps, zinauma, as in ata yani hawezi amka. You see, that day ya kwanza hawezi hata amka, tumbo inauma ile wacha tu. So challenges zetu sisi wanawake sana zinaanzanga hapo. Kuna mwenye hata tu ataenda tu vizuri 3 days, 4 days, 7 days, you see, but hata umwa. But so many women, 80% ni wenye wanapata wakiwa wasichana, you see, ni wenye wanapata iyo cramps, uchungu, unaumwa na tumbo for the first day, you see.
And you can also add matters of ovarian cysts, the fibroids, the endometriosis.
Yeah, I'm coming to that.
Oh my goodness, please could you address that? I'm very curious.
Wakati wenye mama anaendelea tu, mwanamke anaendelea akienda, unazaa kamoja, calcium tulisema ndio hiyo. Calcium inaanza from messes, inakuja ukipata katoto, the pregnant, then breastfeeding. So hizo ni challenges. Because as you lose that calcium, ndio utaenda tu unasikia mama akifika mahali pengine magoti, miguu yangu, sijui mgongo kama hiyo mimi nilikuwa nayo, you see. So with us women, tunapatanga paka the fibroids, as you've said, fibroids, unapata you have the cervical cancer, lakini hiyo sasa cervical cancer iko na maneno ingine, wacha hii ya health and wellness. So unapata sisi wanawake tumeangaliwa sana through the supplements. We got the best supplement, as in yenye utakunywa kama you have fibroids, ina shrink. As in, this is when haijaenda kwa centimeters kubwa. You see, sasa ikiwa hivi kidogo
kana shrink.
Si lazima uende for surgery. Na sisemi surgery, sipigane na surgery. Sipigane na pharmaceutical. So ile ya as in kama ziko tu chini, and this is why we are advising on checkups,
regular checkups,
because when you go for a checkup na uonekane imeanza kugrow, this is when you will be given a product that will make it shrink. Na hapo ndio hiyo ya inafanya yani the fibroids to shrink, bado itakupea immunity, as in hata ukienda masiku zingine bado utakuwa na haitarudi sana, you see, because with the surgery kama iko juu, hata ukikatwa hawatakata tule tudogo, you see, uto tudogo bado tutamea, so you'll keep on going for surgeries. Lakini sasa kama umeangaliwa tu mapema, and you are advised how to eat, so hautakuwa na ile the complications mingi. The other things is hormonal imbalancing. You see, tunakunywa the family planning, unaweza pata mtu with the hormonal imbalancing, unapata maybe hata nimeamka tu vizuri, but ikifika tu masaa zingine napiga kuku huko, napiga watoto. You see, yani una ile kukasirika ya juu. Kila mtu akona ile, yani akona different ways ya kuact ukiwa na hormonal imbalancing, because kuna wengine wenye unapata kama wanaenda messes zao for maybe after 2 weeks, unaona, mwingine ni 3 weeks, tena inarudi tena, haiko, it is irregular. So with the hormonal imbalancing, we are able to reverse the condition through another product. You see, the other thing is infertility. infertility. With infertility, sometimes you get mtu anakosa kupata mtoto because of maybe blocked tubes. Unaona? Maybe hormonal imbalance.
Very common.
So ukikuja tu for check-up, you get the right products. We are able to reverse the condition. Tena niingie tu hapo kwa wanaume kidogo. As in, hata kuna wanaume wenye wako na infertility tu.
Kweli.
Sometimes unapata ni low sperm counts.
Ama tu ile ingine.
Unapata
inafanyanga inakaa hivi.
Yes. Unapata hiyo. Kuna hata hao bado tuna we advise on what to take. The other thing is maybe nirudi kwa hiyo yenye amesema about prostate cancer. It is the common cancer kwa wanaume sana. Whereby you get mwanaume hata akipata tu kachariji kadogo, akipata tu anaenda tu anakojoa hapa badala ya apeleke pale mbele. Anaanza kurua the low self esteem.
Exactly.
Inaenda chini. Badala ya utafute
a solution.
Unaenda tu wewe yani unanyamaza, unaanza kujichukia. We advise on coming for check-up. You get the right you get the right product you take whereby it will reverse your condition. Wengine wanapata enlargement kwa wanaume, yani ya prostate. Whereby ni ile tu kukula yenye tunakula vibaya. You see, so when you come, we will advise you on what to take, what to do, so that you reverse the condition.
Effects, okay, wow, thank you so much. My producer is telling me we are running out of time, so maybe what I can ask quickly, and where can people find you? Where can people find you if they need more information?
We can give out our numbers.
Anything you're comfortable with. Okay,
so if you need our help, we can send our numbers there. Mine is 0726 802 575. And 0726 802 575.
All right. How about you, Elizabeth?
We are based in Nairobi. And it is not Nairobi alone. Tuko Kenya mzima. So with our help through the contacts tunaweza wasaidia. Maybe someone ako Bungoma, maybe someone ako Nairobi, Mombasa, ako Eldoret. Tutawaambia where to get the product. My number is 0723 66 2722. 0723 66 2722. Elizabeth.
And thank you so much for taking your time. I know this topic is so deep, but I had to just scratch the surface. So tutawaona kando. I'd like to know obviously myself more about it, so that if that's what my mom was doing, then we can return her to the program. But mi niliona alikuwa na glow, alikuwa na glow kama nyinyi. So but I want to thank you for taking time to come and educate our audience and myself about how to stay healthy and how to prevent, if at all, and also reverse where possible. All right, guys, what a nice conversation. Once again, I was with Anne and Elizabeth, who are both health consultants or experts in your dietary form. So meaning what to eat, what to avoid, and also get screening and get the right supplements for everybody in the family, from the youngest to the oldest. Remember, health is wealth. If you can prevent, please do so now. Thank you, and if you have a similar story, please do reach us on Y254. I've been your host, Maureen Waititu. Until next time, it's a good night.
Sweet.